Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Ghost Chips Ahoy protein shake, pre-mixed, ready to drink, RTD. Let's go. I'm excited for this one because I've had the Ghost Chips Ahoy protein powder before, and it's actually one of my favorite types of protein. They really did a good job with the cookie flavor here, and it honestly tastes exactly like a Chips Ahoy cookie. I have no idea how they do it, 160 calories per scoop in their protein powder, but well worth it. So this actually also has 160 calories and 4.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbohydrates, 1 fiber, 1 sugar, and 25 grams of protein. So it's gluten-free, soy-free, no added sugar, epic taste. I'm really excited to try this one out. This is made in Las Vegas, so that's cool. Ghost, you guys know what you're doing. I love Chips Ahoy cookies, and they make this protein powder like unbelievably good. Can't get into it here. Jeez. They're really sealed well so that there's no contamination. There we go. And if you didn't get a workout in today, the workout will be removing the coating from the cap. We're gonna shake this up. I think there's gonna be cookie pieces in it because there's cookie pieces in the actual protein powder itself. You got a little cap. Yep, smells just like the Chips Ahoy cookies. So I'm excited. I'll get right into this here. Yep, that's a Chips Ahoy cookie, all right. That's really good. So they have a theme of having cereal milk flavored protein shakes. I just did a review video on their cereal milk protein shake. And this kind of tastes a little bit similar, but you do get the notes of cookie and all that in it. So I like this one better than the cereal milk, but the cereal milks are still pretty good as well. It's too good. Yeah, that honestly tastes like a cookie. And it honestly, like the cookie on there, ooh, tastes just like that. Just similar to the protein powder. Protein powder might have been a bit stronger, but I still like this. I'm amazed they managed to get the same amount of calories in this as a scoop of the protein. That's pretty cool. I usually mix mine with cashew milk or almond milk, and I found that that taste is really good. But this, convenience and that good taste, we love it. I'll have one more sip of this and I'll give my final review. Yeah, that is spot on like the cookie. I think I like the protein powder itself a little bit more, but this is still extremely good. Probably one of the best RTD ready to drink protein shakes that you can find out there. And Ghost, pretty big name, so you're gonna probably start seeing these around more commonly, and deservedly so because they are really good. I really like that. I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10. So reasons why I like it so much is that it tastes like a Chips Ahoy cookie. Not many other companies can say that. I don't think any can. So that's a unique selling factor in the Ghost protein shake, but it's very sweet and it only has 160 calories. This is kind of filling. Like I find that protein shakes like this kind of sit in the stomach a little bit more and they take longer to digest due to the protein in them. So that's another nice bonus. We have nice, like, there's like, you can like touch the Ghost. That's cool. So yeah, very high quality protein shake. Tastes good. No complaints here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. I'll see you in the next video.